You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. This is the past tense and the past participle of the verb shine, to shine. So how do you pronounce it? Well, there are two different pronunciations, I'm afraid. The British English pronunciation is shone. Shone. In American English, however, in the US, it is more commonly pronounced as shone. Shone. Alright, so you have two different ways of pronouncing it. Two correct pronunciations. Shone or shone. It's easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.